Hi, welcome to this short video. So today in the post I received this GoPro 8 vlog case by ULANZI. I've got a few ULANZI products and to be honest they are quite good. So what you're going to be seeing is some short clips of the case demonstrating various different accessories on the cold shoe mount. This is the main reason that I bought this, because I like to use external microphones. It's also really good for protecting the camera. So let's jump in and have a look at some live uses. So first of all, this is the basic case. This is without the little adapter on the top of the cold shoe. I'll show you that in a second. As I say, the tripod mount is not included. That's just for ease of use of me holding it. So as you can see, you've got full access to the USB port, the shutter button, and also the on-off. The side comes down to reveal the battery and also the SD card, and as you can see, it offers good all-round protection against knocks and bumps. Here you can see it with the little adapter on the top, and in this example you can see I'm using a Rode Wireless Go receiver on the cold shoe mount. The space that you can see underneath the camera is actually to house the GoPro microphone adapter. Here you can see it with a Rode Video Micro without the dead cat, and then when you put the dead cat on, this is where you really need the adapter to bring it above and out of sight of the lens. Also included is this lens protector, which is a great idea. It just snaps on the front. Additionally, you've got this filter housing, and that just snaps on the front also, making it look like this. All round a really neat design. Thanks for watching.